into the matching.
Nonsense. Eh? What's rubbish?
Because you are kind of Okada. Back! Yes! Oh yes! We must give them that. Who be that nigga?
Are you see what I'm seeing?
But I'm seeing it, but who is that? Who is that person?
Yeah, Babu, are you sure you have not impregnated someone's daughter? Because this thing looks like someone's father.
When did that one start now?
I know
What type of nonsense is it? I said you're not saying anything. I would slap you.
Look when this lap.
I was. Jesus, this boy joking.
If it is what is it? Let me tell you, calm down. Let me tell you a story. If I was old enough to witness your childbirth, both of you, yeah, I would have sold you long gone to slave trading. I would have sold you and use the money and buy anything that is raining now.
You shut up. I don't know whether it's somebody's father that is
The point here we have to do is that we have to know who this man is.
Exactly.
Is this not Itoro?
Itoro.
It is Itoro.
Come on. Itoro, my man.
Itoro. It's been long ago.
I swear.
Itoro, when did you arrive? Because you didn't tell me that you were coming.
Oh yes.
It's 5 days now and your neighbor tell me that you people die.
We died, what?
So they don't go.
Itoro. Wait, somebody from this compound.
For this compound.
Say that we died.
People die.
Why
So they've been wishing us death.
Oh, wait, you allow me to kill somebody.
Aiza, the battle line has been drawn.
It has been drawn.
The battle line has
I've
been
drawn
drawn.
it. Let me draw it.
Exactly.
I've drawn it.
Anybody that crosses this line,
Bam.
Ndoshi, you have come back to intoxicate this side again. Ndoshi, you have come back to intoxicate this side again. Ndoshi, chiefs.
Just Ibekwe, or whatever they call your name, Ibekwe, you are fat.
so Ibekwe, it has gotten to this extent. It's okay. Ibekwe, you.
Calm down.
It has gotten to this extent.
Me.
I will deal with you talking to this Ibekwe, you.
You think you are going to see my baby? Let me show you my house.
Come on, get up from here. Get up from here.
I will deal with you.
See, Ibekwe, don't even try me.
Tell her.
Ibekwe, you're very stupid. You owe me the Fusongo.
Oh,
yes. Adama, the grace.
I don't even know this fool can speak in tongues. Fool. In short, I don't have time for you fools.
Hey, Ibekwe, go.
Let me go and arrange my room. My sugar mom is
Go away. Go. I will deal with you. Why you must kill a man? I will kill you.
No, he's not.
I will deal with you.
Okay. Ibekwe, see, I will deal with you.
But come.
Sugar mommy.
Come. This thing will not end like this.
Exactly.
How can it end?
We have to have plan B.
I am Azita.
I am
It
Babu.
will not end like this.
Nonsense.
It is not going to end like this. We must deal with him.
Exactly. Plan B.
Let's plan on something. We must do something.
Exactly. You see that sugar mama that is coming here?
Hey, Martin.
Ibekwe,
Ibekwe to off today.
Just look at Ibekwe.
Okay, what back? I am very angry and annoyed.
Me, I'm anxious.
No, this is what you people are seeing here.
Never
You haven't seen. Well, let me tell you. Let me tell you what happened. Before Ibekwe be ranting like a madman. I will kill that guy. It's ordinary small pot. Small pot, oh.
The food is not even sweet. The food inside is not
It's not even sweet. Ordinary small pot.
They call it
They are
stealing.
calling it stealing.
Just imagine.
We just tap.
We borrow.
We borrow the pot. Ordinary small pot.
What do you say we do to this guy? He went a whim.
Shut up. Okoro, shut up. You're angry as if your anger can boil air. What rubbish?
It's okay, see. I have a plan. It's okay. Jesus. You will kill me here. It's okay. See. Stop. I have a plan.
Every time you always have a plan.
I have a plan. I have a plan.
Be talking, let us be doing.
You are playing the odds.
This nigga get brain.
Hey!
It's okay. Person no fit play with you. Aziza.
She's coming.
She's coming. She's coming. Just right now.
But everybody compose.
Wow, Sapele waterboard though. She fine.
Okuru, I'll hit you this in your head. You will not compose. Compose yourself before this girl now will say we are not adults. Compose.
Yes.
She's coming.
Hi. Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome.
I'm looking for Ibekwe.
Ibekwe. Are you sure about the address?
Are you sure about the address?
Yes. Is this not number 10 Alaboso Street?
Yes, it is.
Oh yes.
You are in the right place.
You said Ibekwe, right?
Yes.
Ibekwe.
Now we are talking.
No, I remember.
Yes.
Ibekwe, yes.
You have a name for them that Ibekwe.
Yes, it's our neighbor.
Oh, thank goodness.
And you? Who are you again?
I'm Kate, his girlfriend.
Oh, you are the one that came here last week now?
Yes.
And that stayed up to, was
One
it
week.
3? 1 week. 1 week.
1 week or 2 weeks.
1 week and 2 weeks.
Is that?
Oh, you are the one.
Nice.
No, that's not me. It's not me.
Wow.
But were you not the one that was here last week? Both of you always take part together.
Together.
Try to remember.
No, it's not me. I've not been here before, honestly. I just came back from the States few weeks ago. Yeah, I'm not the one.
Yeah, on outside country, no?
But you know, there is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are about 9 girls.
Yes.
That came here last week. Looking for Ibekwe.
I mean, I don't know.
I mean,
I'm surprised that you say you are
From the States.
plus that slim fat one. 10.
that tall short one.
10, 11.
You are very
They were
black.
about 11. Looking
Girls.
for Ibekwe. This last week.
You see what you're facing here? You're Ibekwe.
What? My very own Ibekwe? You cannot be serious. No. That's not true.
How can I answer the
Miss Kate. So you don't even know Ibekwe? Your own Ibekwe that you claim to know. Ibekwe. Let me tell you. Immediately, just before you walked in,
Otobaga.
Another.
you should have met is it me?
You should have met
her in the gate.
met the girl. Yes.
One just left immediately.
Yeah.
It is true, that fair lady.
That fair girl.
That fair one.
Oh my God. I can't believe this. This is unbelievable. Oh my God. My own Ibekwe.
Believe is an understatement.
Exactly.
As I'm talking to you now.
Tell her.
Sorry, I'm shouting. As I'm talking to you now, believe
Lower
is an
your voice.
understatement.
Yes.
Let me calm down. There was this girl.
Yes.
Ibekwe got pregnant.
You never
Last week,
Last week. One day,
week,
You don't even know that guy, Ibekwe.
very dangerous striker.
That guy. Don't be emotional for him.
Oh my God. My Ibekwe almost getting pregnant. Oh my God.
This thing I'm telling you was so innocent.
And the thing that is confusing me about this guy is that guy used to cook very well. Mama Paletti. May her soul rest in peace.
She died. How did she die?
How? Ibekwe! How? Oh! Ibekwe!
Ibekwe, what?
Oh! Just last week, Last week. Hi! It shall not be well with that. Just last week,
Even Ibekwe shall never be well with him. Thank you.
Just last week, the girl went for a test. And they told her that Ibekwe transmitted HIV.
What? Jesus! Oh my God, Ibekwe!
The point here, the one that touched me. The point is that Ibekwe is an HIV candidate.
What? HIV.
He's wearing it like a sandpaper. He's wearing it like a sandpaper.
Oto ko te ke ya. One ke ya ka paleti. One ke nya, one ke ya sia.
Just like that.
Baby, what are you doing with this big food? What are you doing with this big food? What are you doing with it? Babe, what is it now? Why did you slap? What is it? What is it now? What do you slap? Babe.
In fact, it's over between us. Everything is over. Go your way. I've deleted your number. You see this to me after everything. It's over.
Come, I can take care of you.
Don't look at him.
Never cheat on.
Look at him. He thinks that he is brilliant.
Mission accomplished.
Very, very sweet.
Come here, but catch
I
up
don't
on
know,
us.
I don't know that that girl is very, very emotional. Hey, very emotional.
Allow me to carry this girl. No, she has like.
Yeah, shut up, dear mama. Imagine this rubbish. One thing must kill a man. Your own is a woman. Your own is a woman.
So is this how you guys are enjoying here?
Easy. You have not seen anything.
That means I'm not coming back to Okwa Ibom.
Come back here again. Let me teach you.
Check